the three theories of acids and bases. They are also known as the Arrhenius, Bronsted-Lowry, and Lewis definitions of acids and bases. Why are there three definitions, you may ask? Well, that's because there are limitations to certain definitions, hence new definitions were introduced to build on the current one so that it covers a greater scope to define what is an acid or a base. I hope you're ready, because we're going to travel back in time to the year 1884. The Arrhenius Theory states that an acid is a hydrogen-containing substance that ionizes and releases hydrogen ions, aka protons, in aqueous solutions, while a base is a hydroxide-containing substance that ionizes and releases hydroxide ions in aqueous solutions. However, this definition restricted acid-base reactions to occur in aqueous solutions only, and it did not account for the basic properties of substances that do not contain the hydroxide group, such as ammonia and organic amines. If we were to travel further into the future, the Bronsted-Lowry definition states that an acid-base reaction involves the transfer of a proton from the acid to the base, making the acid a proton donor and the base a proton acceptor. However, there are still limitations to this definition as not all substances have hydrogen, so it cannot explain the acid-base reactions for substances that do not have hydrogen at all, such as acidic oxides like SO3, SO2, carbon dioxide, and basic oxides like magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, etc. So here comes the question. If not every substance has a hydrogen or hydroxide, then what is something that all substances have? The answer to this question lies in the year 1938, where the Lewis theory states that an acid is any species that can accept a pair of electrons from a base to form a dative covalent bond. Lewis's theory of acids and bases is much broader than the Arrhenius and Bronsted-Lowry definitions, so substances which do not have hydrogen or hydroxide will not be left out in this definition. And we are back in the studio. Before you click off, here's a special bonus question to check your understanding, so do feel free to pause the video right now, try it, and check the answers which I'll leave in the description below.